about to start the fourth and final chapter of this ball game.
Get ready, next game. Philippines versus Filipinos.
The ball is loose. Pick it up. Oh. Eufemiano. Whoa, that's a blessing in disguise. With Operanya missing that shot. And pick it up by Eufemiano. Firing from deep corner. And rings the bell that extends Manaoag lead to 65-60. Sibiliano retaliates with his own version of three. No. Season clears the board. And Operanya. On and out by Eufemiano. Atacador almost losing the handle, but he regains possession. 62-65. Operanya, pull up. Another miss. And Sibiliano bangs it in. 2 points. Eufemiano pulled out. Bounce pass to Season. Back to Cuban. Eufemiano, what a shot! Oh boy! That is a 4-point play in the open. What a big time shot coming from Eufemiano from the corner. Making the 3-point shot and getting the foul on Tugas. That's the only time left. 8 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. And Eufemiano completes the 3-point play. Sibiliano, that's an illegal pick. Mamaril is into the ball game once again, finding Eufemiano not too strong off the rim with Tugas. Borja from deep. Sansano. Oh, what a nice drive. Oh, what a find! With Laca. What a smooth operator. Sansano cannot buy a basket, but he finds his teammates playing decoy for Manaoag. That was a great recognition on the part of Sansano. If you cannot score, look for the open man, look for your teammate who could score for the team, and he finds Laca underneath, getting the 2 points once again with 7 minutes 29 to go. They have erected a 7-point lead so far, 71-64, going to the final minute of this ball game. Borja to Bonso. Oh, what a big basket by Bonso. Rings the bell from downtown. That's a big one. And the lead is down to 4. Sansano to Eufemiano. No. Oh. Oh boy. Season hits the deck. He was fouled by Bonso.
It's your third personal foul, 13.
That's a foul on Bonso and the third team foul of Swan. Laca spins, kick the ball out. Eufemiano once again, pull up. That's a miss. Another chance for Manaoag to recycle the offense. Eufemiano once again. Oh, that's another big one coming from Eufemiano. 3 points. And Season once again hits the deck. With that time remaining, 6 minutes, 16 seconds. Official count, 74-67. Seconds to shoot. To blue shirt, ganging up for that rebound. Bonso, step back, lines up, no. Big rebound by Dulay. Sansano could not pull the trigger. Laca back to Sansano. With 8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Laca fires. No. Borja drives in. Bounce pass to Lai was rejected by Tugas. And Civiliano punctured the hoop with that basket in transition. And the lead is 5. Sansano. 8 seconds to shoot. Sansano stops. The ball is loose. Touch lost by Civiliano. And we have a the ceasefire. Timeout. Manaoag. 74-69 is the official count with the time winding down. We only have 3 minutes 47 seconds here in the fourth and final chapter of this ball game. Manaoag is still up by 5. 74-69. There's still anybody's ball game. This is just a 5-point lead with still a long way to go, 3:47.
Back to the ball game.
Lock up for the inbound. Mamaril on the receiving end. Mamaril goes for the drive. Only 2 seconds remaining on the shot clock for Manaoag to operate. This is enough time for a catch and shoot. Borja to Bunso, who is not a factor for this game. Borja. Another infraction. That's the time remaining in this ball game, 3:07. Oh, what a shot, what a drive. By the smallest guy on the floor, Mamaril down the baseline. It is 76-69 is the official count with 3 minutes, 3 seconds to go. Here in the final chapter of this ball game. Swal needs a wake up call. They're down by 7 right now, 76-69. With that time remaining, 3 minutes, 3 seconds to go. We have a ball game at hand. Borja attacks the defense of Mamaril. That's only the second personal foul of Mamaril. Nice drive by Borja. Going to the basket, 71-76. Smartly looking for Sansano. 7 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Bounce pass. Oh, Dulay with the easy deuce underneath. Big rebound by the big fellow. Getting the offensive rebound and a putback for 2. Sano, big time shot from beyond the arc. 81-73, the lead is 8 points for Manaoag. Bora retaliates. Tugas once again. No, big time rebound by the big man. Season coming back to the ball game for Dulay. No. There was a loose ball foul committed by number 2, Atacador. 81-75 is the count. This is a 6-point lead with a minute and 16 seconds to go here in this ball game. Laka with that ball fake, and that was a nice drive by Laka. But there's Bonzo for the offensive rebound and a putback. Oh, what a nice wraparound pass to Laka. Tugas, 2 points. Last 25 seconds. 21 seconds remaining, 85-79. And Sual is already in the penalty, so that would mean 2 free throws for Mamaril. First throw is good, 86-79. Last 21 seconds with Manaoag enjoying a 7-point advantage over Sual. Let's see if Sual could do something about this one. This is a 3-possession ball game. Sibiliano. No. Mamaril, 2 points. That's the end of this ball game. Congratulations to the winner. We have Manaoag prevails 88-79 over SWAL.
What a quarter-final battle between Manaoag and SWAL. Both teams showed heart, intensity, and playoff urgency. Big moments and clutch plays defined this matchup. Congratulations for Team Manaoag and Team SWAL for serving a good game. And congratulations for the winning team, Team Manaoag. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Mr. Eufemiano, having 19 points, 10 rebounds, and 5 steals. So congratulations for winning this game. And also congratulations for being the best player of the game. So paano ka naging stay focused lalo na sa mga moments na nagpapalitan kayo ng score with Team SWAL?
Na nakuha namin sa nakuha, na, nakuha namin sa ensayo at sa sakripisyo ng mga sinasabi ng coach. At yun lang po.
Yes. And kapag nagsasacrifice tayo talagang magiging worth it talaga. So, ano naman yung pakiramdam na natalo niyo yung SWAL, na kayo yung unang nakatalo sa Team SWAL?
Malaking challenge po at malaking experience po at natalo po namin yung malakas na team.
So nakita namin na all out din kayo and yung buong team ninyo na talagang gusto nyong makuha yung panalo. So sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Shoutout po sa family Surya, sa mga suporta po nila at ang family ko po sa family Pimiano at family Peralta. At shoutout din po sa mga tropa ko, si Sibyong, Mojo, Boyet, Imput, Food Trip. Yun naman po, salamat.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Basketball fans, that ends here our 5th game here in the quarterfinals in the Governor's Cup. Kung gusto nyo ulit manood, see you again in the last game. So this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.